Hope you will be fine with respect to place. Last time we have discussed this phyllotaxy of the leaves. We have discussed the modification of the leaf, and now we have got the last topic, subtopic rather, that is the functions of the leaf. Actually, what we have to discuss today, that is the inflorescence, जो हमको पढ़ना है, जो हमारा मेन टॉपिक है, दैट इज द इन्फ्लोरेसेंस. लेकिन अभी थोड़ा सा पोर्शन रह गया लीफ का, दैट इज द व्हाट आर द वेरियस फंक्शंस व्हिच आर परफॉर्म्ड बाय द लीफ. सो वी हैव टू डिस्कस फंक्शंस ऑफ अ लीफ. अगर हम लीफ की बात करेंगे, व्हाट आर द वेरियस फंक्शन व्हिच आर बीइंग परफॉर्म्ड बाय द लीफ, दे आर categorized into two categories. First one is the primary function. सेकेंड वन अगर हम बात करेंगे, दैट इज द सेकेंडरी फंक्शन. प्राइमरी फंक्शंस आर विच आर द थ्री मेन जो प्राइमरी फंक्शन परफॉर्म करता है. फर्स्ट वन इज द फोटोसिंथेसिस. सेकेंड वन जो हमारे पास है, दैट इज द ट्रांसपायरेशन. And third one is the gaseous exchange. These are the three main important functions which are being performed by the leaf. What happens in the photosynthesis? It is the process by which the plants जो होते हैं, they manufacture their food and they are making the use of the inorganic substance, that is the carbon dioxide plus and this water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, and they perform the function of manufacturing the food. Now, second one is the transpiration. What happens in the transpiration? We will see that there is the loss of excess water from the leaf in the form of water vapors. That is the loss of excess loss of excess water, loss of excess water from the leaf, and this x in the form of water vapors, and this excess loss जो है, it takes place through the stomata, and these stomata are present on the lower surface of this leaf. Third is the gaseous exchange. Gas exchange, we will see that some gases they are needed in the leaf, and there are some gases which are to be expelled out of the leaf. So there happens the gaseous exchange. There is the in and out of the gases which take place, those exchange of those gases that take place in the leaf, and these many take place during the process of photosynthesis and during the process of respiration. So these are the primary functions which are being performed by the leaf. Now we have got some secondary functions. We have studied in the modification of the leaf that the leaf, besides performing some these primary some functions, जो इसका main function, that is the process of photosynthesis, it performs some other functions also, and these functions are called as secondary functions. अब जो पहली फंक्शन ये है, that is storage of food. Storage of food. अब हम ये देखते हैं कि जो लीव्स होते हैं, they help in the food, rather it is stored in the leaf bases. They help us in the storage of the food. For example, in case of Allium cepa, जिसको हम उर्फी आम या आम में बोलते हैं ओनियन, वहां पर ये होता है कि द फूड जो होता है, इट इज स्टोर्ड इन द लीफ बेसिस. सेकंड वन, अगर हम बात कर लेंगे लीफ की, इट इज प्रोटेक्टिव इन नेचर. It is protective in nature when the leaves get modified into the spines. When the leaves get modified into the spines, वहां पर हम क्या देखते हैं कि जो कैटल जो होता है, वे इस लीफ को ग्रेज नहीं कर सकते हैं. They help this plant from grazing by the cattle. For example, in case of the opensia, वहां पर हम क्या देखते हैं कि when the leaves they get modified into the spine and they get protected from the grazing animals. थर्ड अगर हम बात कर लेंगे इसकी, what we will see that this leaf it also reduces the rate of transpiration. जो रेट ऑफ ट्रांसपायरेशन हम कहते हैं, रेट ऑफ ट्रांसपायरेशन it is reduced, and it is reduced by this modified leaf. When this leaf जो होता है, when it gets converted into the phylloid, when the leaf जो है it gets converted into the phylloid. For example, in case of Australian acacia, वहां पर हम क्या देखते हैं, जो पिट्यूल जो लीफ होता है इट इज विदर्ड ऑफ, एंड द पिट्यूल जो होता है इट गेट्स व्हाट वी कॉल फ्लैटेड, इट गेट्स समवट elongated, then it performs the function of this what we called as the photosynthesis, but it also helps us in the reducing rate of the transpiration. Fourth one, it helps us in the vegetative reproduction. वेजिटेटिव रिप्रोडक्शन अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, या वेजिटेटिव रिप्रोडक्शन इन केस ऑफ द ब्रायोफाइलम, वहां पर हम क्या देखते हैं कि दैट द लीफ जो होता है इट हैज गॉट सम एडवेंटिशियस बड्स. Buds are found that which are adventitious buds. When these buds, when they get detached from the leaf, when they fall on the suitable substratum, they give rise to the new plant of this bryophyllum. एक और हम इसकी बात कर लेंगे. What we will see, it helps the plant in climbing. What we will see in those plants which have got the weak stems, and these weak stems जो होते हैं they are not in a position to remain erect, but they need the support. They need the support, and for this support, what we will see that the leaf जो होते हैं they get converted into the tendrils. Leaf as a whole or a part of it or any part of this leaf, it gets converted into the, it gets rather modified into the tendril, and then this tendril जो होता है it helps us in climbing the support, and in this way what we will see जो leaf जो plant होता है it grows up, ये climb कर लेता है. And for example अगर हम इसकी example देंगे, that is the garden pea, जहां पर हम ये देखते हैं कि जो stems होते हैं they are weak. हाँ, एक और बात जो हम देखते हैं, what you have seen in case of salvinia. salvinia में हम क्या देखते हैं कि जो on the branch what we will see there are the three terminal roots जो होते हैं, sorry, the three terminal these leaves. Out of these three leaves, एक leaf जो होता है it gets modified into the roots, and the remaining two leaves they acts as the normal leaf. And now this root हम क्या कहते हैं, it helps what we will see this for floating, ये मदद कर लेता है. The salvinia में it is an aquatic plant, they acts as the what we call as supporter for floating, rather in case of this salvinia. And these are some of these what we will see the secondary functions which are going to perform by the leaves. Now let us come up to our main topic. जो हमारा मेन टॉपिक आज का है that is inflorescence. हमारा जो मेन टॉपिक है that is inflorescence. Inflorescence. What do you mean by the inflorescence? Inflorescence जो हमारे पास, now inflorescence जो हमारे पास है, what does it means? It means the arrangement of flowers on the specialized branch, and that is called as the inflorescence. how the flowers, how they are arranged on the axis on the specialized branch, that is called as the what we will call as the inflorescence. For example, if this is the flowering branch or this is a specialized branch where we will see, जो हम देखते हैं कि leaf जो sorry जो flower होगा which that bears on this what we call as the specialized axis or specialized branch, that is called as peduncle. That is called as the peduncle. That is the main axis or the axis on which the flower जो होते हैं they are formed, they are born, and that is called as the main axis. कभी कभार हम ये भी देखते हैं कि एक जो हमारे पास होता है main axis पर only one flower is found, and that flower is called as this solitary flower. एक ही तना फ्लावर पाया जाता है, that is called as this solitary flower. Or if this flower is found at the terminal end of this axis, it is found on the terminal end of this specialized branch, then it is called as the solitary terminal, yeah, terminal solitary. When the flower is found all alone, it is found singly at the top, it is found on the main axis, only a single flower is found, that is called as the slowly. Mainly what we will see, we will find the bunch of these flowers are found, and how these flowers in a bunch, how they are arranged, that is called as the inflorescence. Now how हम जो देखते हैं flowers का जो हम arrange देखते हैं, they are mainly arranged in 3 different ways. There are 3 main ways जो हम देखते हैं. First one, racemose. Second one, cymose. Third one, that's a special type. We have got inflorescence, how these flowers are arranged. They are arranged in 3 different ways. First one, racemose. Second one, cymose. Third one is the special type. Let us first try to discuss what are the main points of differences between these 2 types, that is the racemose and the cymose. Leave this special type. When iski turn aa jayegi, we will discuss it there. Now, in this racemose and cymose, there are some basic differences जहाँ हम देखते हैं कि these two, racemose and cymose के दरमियान, there are some basic differences. Those basic differences, they help us in understanding how these flowers are arranged in these 2 different types. और special type, that the name indicates a special type. जब हम इसकी बारी आ जाएगी, यहाँ पर nature कैसा होता है, we will discuss. क्योंकि ये ज़्यादातर पाया, it is found in less number of these plants. लेकिन ज़्यादातर जो हम देखते हैं, we have got these 2 men, that is this racemose and this cymose. Now, there occur some basic differences between the racemose and the cymose. First one, अगर हम यहाँ देखते हैं कि एक फर्स्ट डिफरेंस जो हम racemose में देखते हैं और cymose में देखते हैं, जो main axis, that is this peduncle, main axis, it never terminates into a flower. Never terminates. Main axis never terminates into a flower. और हम ये कहेंगे जो main axis जो होती है या peduncle जो होता है, it is of unlimited growth. Is of unlimited growth. ये continuously growth कर लेता है. So we will see जो ये axis होता है, it never terminates into a flower. अगर हम यहाँ पर देखते हैं कि main axis जो होता है, it terminates into a flower. So we will see there is a limited growth. There is a limited growth of the main stem. ये first point है. Second one, how these flowers are arranged. There's an arrangement. In this case, there's the arrangement in this case. In this case, what we will see in racemose, it is the acropetal. Acropetal arrangement of flowers. यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं it is the basipetal arrangement of flowers. This is the second point. Third जो हम कह सकते हैं, जो main axis यहाँ पर है, it is monopodial. और अगर हम यहाँ की बात करेंगे, it is sympodial. Podium. So these are the three basic points which differentiate this racemose from this cymose. First one is the main axis. It never terminates into a flower. Main axis terminates into a flower. That means अगर हम इसकी बात करेंगे racemose की, जो main axis it is of unlimited growth, whereas this cymose it is of limited growth. अगर हम racemose की बात करेंगे, जहाँ पर flowers है, they are arranged in acropetal arrangement. In this case, it is basipetal arrangement. Here we will see जो man it is what we call as a monopodial, whereas it is sympodial. Now let us try to discuss one by one what is the, जो मैंने basic मैंने आपको बताया कि how we can discuss them. फिर हमको ये आसानी हो जाएगी जो arrangement हम देखेंगे कि जो हम बातें कहते हैं कि whether it is followed by the plants or not. पहले मैंने पॉइंट आपको बोला कि जो मेन स्टेम जो होता है या जो पेडंकल जो होता है, इट नेवर टर्मिनेट्स इनटू अ फ्लावर. फॉर एग्जांपल इन racemose, if it is the flower, the stem main axis, it is the main axis. Here we will see there is the bud and the terminal bud. That means it is growing unlimited. यहाँ पर हम क्या देखते हैं कि no flower formation can take place at its tip. Terminal point जो इसका है at the tip of this main axis on this peduncle. No, हम कहेंगे कि यहाँ पर हम क्या देखेंगे कि यहाँ पर वो arrangement नहीं है कि no leaves या no flower is formed. While in this case you will find a flower at this terminal end. Second one, how the flowers are arranged. जो मैंने दूसरी बात आपसे की. Second one मैंने कहा कि the leaves these flowers in case of racemose, they are arranged acropatical. Arrangement is there. Acropatical arrangement simply means that the जो older flowers होते हैं, they are found near the base. They are found at the near the base, and जो younger flowers होते हैं, they are found at the top. What we will see in case of racemose, this peduncle or this main axis, you will find the branches like this. This is the older flower. अब हम देखेंगे यहाँ पर जो size होगा वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता that starts like this. This is the flower. अब this is the peduncle. This is the stalk of the flower. This is the stalk of the flower, and this stalk is called as pedicellate. This is the stalk of the flower, and this is called as pedicellate. Now, what happens there? What we will see, it is the main stalk. It is the main stalk. It terminates. हाँ, यहाँ पर हम क्या देखते हैं जो arrangement होता है, that is basipetal. यहाँ पर क्या हम देखते हैं जो older flowers होते हैं, they are formed at the top, and the younger flower जो हम कहेंगे, they are found at the base. This is the first flower. Then what we will see here, it terminates into a flower. यहाँ पर it is not, it is the stalk. It is the stalk rather. यहाँ पर it is the branch. It terminates into a flower like this. This in turn it again terminates into a flower. This again it terminates into the flower. So यहाँ पर हम क्या देखते हैं कि जो older flower they are found at the top, whereas in जो younger flowers होते हैं they are found at the base. वही हम यहाँ पर देखते हैं कि जो यहाँ पर अरेंजमेंट हमारे पास है इन केस ऑफ दिस racemose, that is what we will call it is centripetal. दैट इज जो हम ओल्डर फ्लावर्स जो हम देखते हैं, दे आर टुवर्ड्स द पेरिफेरी, दे आर टुवर्ड्स द पेरिफेरी, एंड द यंगर फ्लावर दे आर टुवर्ड्स द व्हाट वी विल कॉल एज टुवर्ड्स द इनर साइड। अब जो फ्लावर जब ब्लूम हो जाते हैं, दे ब्लूम आउटसाइड, फिर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता यंगर वन, एंड जो ब्लूमिंग होती है फ्रॉम पेरिफेरी इट कम्स टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर, इट इज कॉल्ड एज द सेंट्रीपिटल। नाउ in case of this cymose it is centrifugal। जो ओल्डर फ्लावर्स होते हैं दे आर फाउंड इनर साइड। अब जो अंदर वाले होते हैं वो पहले ब्लूम हो जाते हैं फ्रॉम सेंटर टुवर्ड्स द पेरिफेरी, फिर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता जो बाहर वाले फ्लावर जो यंगर फ्लावर्स होते हैं विच आर एट द बेस दे स्टार्ट फ्लावरिंग फ्लावरिंग फ्लावर एंड इट ये ओपन हो जाता है इन द सेंट्रीफ्यूगल मैनर, व्हाइल एज इन केस ऑफ द रेसिमोस ये कहां की ओर चला जाता है, टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर। हाँ, मैंने एक और पॉइंट बोला था दैट in racemose it is the monopodial and the cymose it is the sympodial। let us first try this what is sympodial, फिर हमारा ये monopodial भी, ये हमको फिर आसानी हो जाएगी इसको समझ में। mono that simply means the single one, sim it means the fused, and the podial means the branch, there are the fused branches in case of this cymose। see beta, this is the main axis, हम कहेंगे it terminates into the flower, it terminates into the फ्लावर। मैंने बड़ा वाला बनाया, इट इज द ओल्डर फ्लावर। अब मैं मुख्तलिफ डायग्राम से बनाऊंगा इससे, सॉरी दिस कलर से, देन वी विल सी दिस, इसका साइज इससे भी छोटा, देन वन मोर कलर, यहां से भी एक फ्लावर निकलेगा, इसका साइज इससे भी छोटा होगा, एंड देन फ्रॉम आई विल टेक अप वन मोर कलर दैट इज दिस, what we will see this way, this now जो ये पार्ट है मैन एक्सिस का, अगर हम यहां से नजर आए इट इज द मैन एक्सिस स्ट्रेट, लेकिन ये जो बनी हुई है यहां से यहां तक, यहां से यहां तक अगर हम देखेंगे इट इज अ फ्यूज्ड, दिस ब्लैक कलरेशन, then this red coloration, then this green coloration, then this blue coloration, so it is there is the fusion of different branches, so it is called as the sympodial। अगर हम मोनोपोडियल की बात कर लेंगे यहां पर सिंपली दिस, इट इज ऑफ अनलिमिटेड ग्रोथ, इट इज अ वर्टिकल flowers, they are formed there, flowers are formed there, flowers are formed there, nothing else, it is made of the single podium or single branch। now this racemose and this cymose they are of different subtypes, now let us try to discuss one by one those subtypes। अब subtypes हम पहले लेंगे racemose। रेसिमोस के सब टाइप्स, फर्स्ट वन दैट इज रसीम। व्हाट इज दिस रसीम? रसीम इज सिंपली द ब्लूप्रिंट ऑफ द रेसिमोस इन्फ्लोरेसेंस। It is simply the what we mean by the blueprint, it is simply the true copy of this racemose। what we will see here, if this is the main axis, अब रेसिमोस में हमने क्या देखा, जो फ्लावर्स होते हैं उनकी जो अरेंजमेंट होती है दैट इज एक्रोपेटिकल इन नेचर। व्हाट वी विल सी, दिस इज द फ्लावर, इससे छोटा, देन ये इससे छोटा, देन ये इससे छोटा और ये इससे छोटा। दिस इज कॉल्ड एज पेडंकल, जो हमने रेसिमोस पेडंकल, and this is the stalk of this flower and it is called as pedicellate stalk, it is a pedicellate flower। Now the flowers they are bisexual. अगर हम यहाँ पर देखेंगे जो इनका अरेंजमेंट है, सेकंड वन दैट इज एक्रोपेटल अरेंजमेंट इज देयर. सेकंड वन जो हमने देखा दैट जो दे आर मेनली द व्हाट वी कॉल एज द बाइसेक्सुअल. और जो यहाँ के हम एग्जांपल देखिए, टू इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जांपल्स आर देयर. फर्स्ट वन इट इज मेनली फाउंड इन मस्टर्ड, और सेकंड वन जो हम देखेंगे जहां पर ये पाया जाता है दिस अरेंजमेंट इट इज फाउंड इन द रेडिश. So again, the older flower they are found at the base, and the younger flower they are found towards the upper part. This is the first. Second one, जो हम देखेंगे. Second part जो हमारे पास है रेसिपो की सब टाइप की, that is branched racemose. Branched racemose जो हमारे पास है, it is simply called as the panicle. Panicle or this branched racemose. See, this is the main axis, or this is called what we will call as this peduncle. अब इस पेडिकल से हम क्या देखते हैं कि इट इज ब्रांच. अगेन यहां से, अब यहां से और यहां से, you will again see that this main axis it never terminates into the flower because it is of racemose type. अब यहां पर हम क्या देखेंगे, जो फ्लावर्स निकलते हैं वो कैसे होते हैं, they are also in these branches, yeah, we call the branch racemose. Again they are in the what we will call as this acropetal arrangement is there. Lower flower जो younger flowers होते हैं they are formed at the base. जो older flowers they are formed at the base. Younger flowers they are formed at the top. Again यहाँ पर हम क्या देखेंगे, same बेटा what we are going to discuss here. अब हम यहां पर भी देखेंगे, हाँ, लेकिन एक बात यहां पर आप देखोगे, जो ये दिस लेंथ, दिस ब्रांच या इस रेसिमोस की दिस लेंथ ये also increase हो जाता है. What we will see it is also in the acropatical arrangement. Longer जो है they are at the base, फिर जो shorter जो है they are found at the top, and this is mainly found in the gulmohar. This is mainly found in the gulmohar, and what we will see here in this, it is what we call a racemose, it is called panicle, or it is this branch racemose. जो main aspect जो branches निकलते हैं racemose की, you will find there this arrangement again जो यहाँ पर है, that is acropatical arrangement. Third जो हमारे पास है subtype, that is spike. Third जो हमारे पास है that is called as the spike. Spike, this is the main axis. This main axis it never terminates into the flower. What we will see here, it is not pedicellate. That means flowers are there, flowers जो यहाँ पर होते हैं they are sessile. Sessile means they are without stalk. They are without stalk. They are arranged in the acropetal arrangement. Again जो flowers होते हैं they are arranged in the acropetal arrangement. यहाँ पर हम क्या देखते हैं कि that this is the flower. Now here we will see no stalk is there. अब जो flower they directly जो होते हैं they arise there from this. अब मैंने देखा छोटे छोटे बनाए that this older flowers at the base and the younger flowers they are formed at the what we will call as this at the top, and flowers mainly जो यहाँ पर है they are bisexual. अब जो मेन जो हम देखते हैं रेसिम और स्पाइक में, रेसिमोस में हम क्या देखते हैं, दे आर पेडिसिलेट, एंड सेकंड वन जो हम वहां पर देखते हैं कि दे आर रेसिमो, दे आर व्हाट वी कॉल द पेडिसिलेट, व्हाइल एज इन केस ऑफ द स्पाइक जो है दे आर सीसाइल, सीसाइल मीन्स दे आर विदाउट द स्टॉक। और फॉर एग्जांपल अगर एमेरेंथस, जिसकी हम एग्जांपल दे सकते हैं कि वहां पर हम देखते हैं कि दैट इट इज एमेरेंथस। नाउ वी हैव गॉट वन मोर, कैटकिल, जो हमारे पास एक है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द कैटकिल। It is also a modified form of this spike. Here we will see जो flowers होते हैं they are pendulous, 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 pendulous means they are drooping, they are drooping. Here what we will see, जो main spike जो होती है, जो पेंडिकल जो होता है, it is weak and thin. अब जब यहाँ पर फ्लावर्स निकलते हैं, दे अब स्पाइक जो पेंडिकल दैट इज वेरी मच वीक, वो कमजोर हो जाता है, और जब फ्लावर्स निकलते हैं दे लाइक दैट दे आर व्हाट यू विल सी हैंगिंग, दे आर ड्रूपिंग, एंड दोज आर कॉल्ड एज पेंडिडुलस फ्लावर्स। अगेन दे आर सीसाइल, दे आर लाइक दिस, इट इज द वीक। अगर हम बात करेंगे झुकाव जैसा यहाँ पर है, दिस स्पाइक इज वीक, एंड यहाँ पर हम क्या देखते हैं कि फ्लावर्स आर फाउंड। अगेन जो फ्लावर्स की हम यहाँ बात करेंगे, दे आर अरेंज्ड इन द एक्रोपेटल अरेंजमेंट, दे आर अगेन जो हम देखते हैं जो इनकी जो अरेंजमेंट है एक्रोपेटिकल, बड़े एट द बेस, छोटे छोटे हम देखते हैं एट द टॉप, लाइक दिस एक्रोपेट। और इसकी जो हम देखते हैं एग्जाम्पल, इट इज मलबरी। दिस इज ऑल फॉर टुडे, एंड नेक्स्ट अभी इसको हम देखते हैं कि देयर आर अभी हमने 4 ही पढ़े, वी हैव टू डिस्कस 6 मोर टाइप्स। इसके हमने रेसिमोस के अभी हमको और 6 टाइप्स पढ़ेंगे, वी विल डिस्कस देम लेटर ऑन। Until then, goodbye, God bless you.